Hi, I'm Angel, and today we're going to be showing you how to recalibrate the digital display on your power bank. From time to time, the digital display on your power bank may not show an accurate reading of how much power or charge is left on the power bank. For example, you might be charging your phone and find that the power bank is stuck on 98 and then suddenly drops to 0. This most commonly occurs when the power bank is new or hasn't been used in a while. But don't stress, these can easily be fixed by following these simple instructions. Step 1. Charge your power bank to 100%. And during this step, it's important that you ignore the number on the power bank display. Instead, charge your power bank for the number of hours outlined in this table. As you can see, larger power banks will need to be charged for longer. To know how long to charge your power bank, check your wall charger to see if you're using a 1 amp, a 2 amp, or a power delivery charger. This is usually printed on the back of the wall charger. For example, if you're charging a 10,000 milliamp hour power bank with a 1 amp wall charger, it will take approximately 10.4 hours to fully charge. Whereas if you're charging it with a 2 amp wall charger, it will only take about 5.2 hours. Step 2. Completely drain the power bank. To do this, once you finish charging the power bank, plug it into one of your devices and completely drain the power bank until it will no longer charge another device. Step 3. Recharge the power bank to 100%. Charge your power bank just like you did in the first step. After doing so, the digital display should return to showing the correct amount of charge left inside. If it doesn't, please repeat steps 1 and 2 again. Still got some questions? No problem. Contact our Cygnett care team at support.cygnett.com.